Hi guys, Mav here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mav and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, do not forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, we will be doing 10 quick, easy DIY Halloween costumes that you might probably, hopefully, already have in your closet. And if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And of course, if you have any comments, questions what we did, or suggestions on what videos you want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, Mab. You now have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much again for watching and joining me today. You have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.